Hi viewers, Vanakkam, Vandanam, Namaskaram. You are watching Aha Namma channel. It's full and full education and entertainment. Watch the video carefully and learn it everything.
Hi students, good morning to all. Now we move on to the chapter 5, squares and square root. We have to continue exercise 5.1, Roman letter 4. So observe the following pattern, find the missing numbers. Observe the following pattern, find the missing numbers. So this is the pattern. Okay, so this is the pattern. Here in this two question, some of the values are missing by following this pattern. So just you have to see the first one is to be 11 square. So 11 square it become 121 and next one should be 101 square. If we square means just you see the term 1 is there, 2 is there and again last 1 is there. So what is the thing in between this 1 and 2 and 2 and 1 you get 1 0. So next we move on to the another pattern 1001 square. The same 1 2 1. So 1 2 1 is there. So in front of 2 and after 2 you have a 2 zeros. So what's the pattern? So this 1 2 1 is common. Okay, if 1 0 is present we have to take 1 and 1. So this is one of the shortcut pattern. Okay, if you have you need to square, you get the same value by using pattern. What the pattern they have to follow? Here how many 0 is there? 1. You need to fill in front and after 2 you need to fill 1 0. The same way here 2 0 is there, you need to fill 2 0 in front of 2 and after 2. So here how many 0 is there? 4 0 is there. So the pattern here the answer is to be you need to fill 4 zeros. So 1 2 3 4 and after 2 also you need to fill 1 2 3 4. For the difference I have to use red in color. In your classwork you supposed to write only blue and black. Okay, already I told you no need to use this red color. So because of that difference black with red, for the contrast I have to show you. For what this pattern here 1 2 3 4 5 6 0 is there. Same way we have to fill 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we complete the question by missing the numbers, by filling missing the numbers by using the pattern. The same way next we move on to question number 5. So observe the following pattern and supply the missing number. The same way here one thing 11 square is there, 101 square is there and instead of 1001 here 10,000 101 is there, 10 lakh 10,000 101 is there and next we need to find. Here you have to see 1 2 1 1 0 2 0 1. The same way here 1 0 2 0 it's continue but it after it becomes 3 0. Again 2 0 1 it's ended. Okay, the same way we continue here means you see the last pattern 1 0 2 0 3 0. 1 0 2 0 3 0 is there and 4 0 is also there. Okay, 4 0 is also there, 4 0 also. This should be the pattern. So 1 0 2 0 3 0 is supposed to be in a previous pattern and we need to finish with 3 0 2 0 1 3 0 2 0 1. So here we need to put 4. So 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 0 3 0 2 0 1. So 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. So 1 2 3 4 and here 1 2 3 4 4 is in the middle. Okay, in between all the number we have a 0. The same way you see 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. So in between all zeros is there. So now here 11 1 0, and we need to take this 10, another one, and again you take. So now here it becomes 10 10 10. Already 3 is there, more 10 and 1. So now you see ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Here 10 lakhs, 10,000, 101. Here 10 crore, 10 lakh, 10,000, 101 square. So this is the question. You need to square, you get the value. So this is the pattern they have to follow to fill this answer. Next we move on to square numbers. So now we can see find the square of a number. So example number 1, find the square of the following numbers without actual multiplication. So we need to find the square of the number. In a solution we have to take we need to find 39 square. So normal, in a rougher column, normal how you need to take, it should be 39 into 39. So you no need to move this actual multiplication. So this one can be written in the form 30 plus 9 whole square. 30 plus 9 whole square. So whole square in the sense you need to multiple this one into 2 times. Square means, for example, a power 2 means, what is the meaning? A can be multiple 2 times. It should be a into a. The same way a plus b the whole square is there means, so a plus b, this one can be multiple 2 times. That should be a plus b, a plus b. Okay, first you need to write like that. So 30 plus 9, 30 plus 9. So now you need to multiple this 2. Okay, so how it happen? This 30 can be multiple with 30 plus 9 first. This 130 can be multiple with this 2 plus, and again the 9 can be multiple with this 30 plus 9. Now you need to multiple, so 30 into 30. 30 into 30 plus 30 into 9. So first one finished. The same way we move on to here. Plus 9 can be multiple with the 30. So 9 into 30. And 9 into 9. Plus 9 into 9. So now you need to multiple. So this is a shortcut method. 1, 2. 2 0 is there. I put 2 0. 3 3s are 9. Plus, how many 0? Only 1 0. 9 3s are 27. So this is the answer. So 30 into 9, 9 into 30, both are same. You get the value again 270. Plus 9 9s are 81. So normally what you need to add this 4 number. So just we move on to the rougher column. So you need to add 900, 270, 270, 81. So here you see 0 0 0. So all the 0 you add with 1 means you get 1. So 7 plus 7 you get 14. 14 plus 8 you get 22. So 2 and carry over 2. So 9 plus 2 11. 11 plus 2 13. So 30 carry over 2 you get 15. So the value is supposed to be 1521. So 39 square. 39 square, the value is to be 1521. So instead of, you can, in the splitting method, in shortcut way I told, if you attend any competitive examination means, so 39 square you split, no, so you just take this ones digit and remaining digits, whatever it is, 2 digit number or 3 digit number, whatever it is, first you take the ones digit. So 9 square means what the value? 9 9s are 81, and you need to square the first one. So 3 3s are 9. Okay, So next what you need to know means you have to take 3. So first step, you have to multiply the ones place and then tens place. Okay, next you take this 3, it can be multiple with the 9. Okay, and you need to double it. Double it means you multiply with the 2. So 2 3 rights are 27 into 2 54. So you leave this number, you add this 54 here. Okay, you leave this number, add this 54 here. 1 8 plus 4 12, carry over 1, 9 plus 1 10 15. Now you check the value, you got 1521. So not only this question, I take for example in the previous one we have to fill that pattern, 1 at 1 square. 1 at 1 square means I take this like this. So 1 square means I take like this. If it becomes 2 digit means directly you write this 2 digit. Single digits means you need to write, supposed to be write in a 2 digit while adding 0 in front of the number. In front of the number there is no value for that. Okay, so 10 means it should be 100. Okay, so now what you need to multiply 10 into 1 into, you need to double the values. The value is to be 20. So where you have to add it? So here. So what the value is this? 10201. So 10201. Can we check the value? So in this pattern 1 at 1 square we get 10201. So this is one of the shortcut method to find the squaring value. Next we move on to the second question. It should be 42 square. Okay, so first I move with the shortcut method. Already I told you, so in this method you should follow only the competitive examination, dear. So I just thought this extra format for you. You supposed to attend any talent examination, Olympiad examination means at that time you no need to move with multiplication for this squares. By using this shortcut method you need to finish your exam first. Okay, so for that 42 square means already I told first you take the ones place. Ones place means 2. So 2 square it should be 4. So 4 means you supposed to be right 0 4. And tens place it should be 4. 4 4s are 16. And next step what you need to do, you need to multiply the digits. 4 into 2. And you need to double the digit. Double the digit means you need to multiply with the 2 it again. 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 16 means you add like this. The answer should be 1764. So by shortcut way we find the value. Okay, in your exercise we have to use the splitting method. We can check. In a solution we need to find a 42 square. So 42 square can be written as 40 plus 2 whole square. So 40 plus 2 whole square means it can be written as 40 plus 2 into 40 plus 2. So this 40 can be multiplied with this value. So 40 into 40 plus 2 plus 2 into 40 plus 2. So both value can multiple with both. Okay, so one by one. So first you need to multiple these two values. So 40 into 40 plus 40 into 2 plus 2 into 40 plus 2 into 2. So now you multiple by the shortcut way. 2 0 is there. 4 4s are 16,600. So 40 into 2 you get 80 because 4 2s are 8 1 0. Same way 2 4s are 8 1 0 and 2 2s are 4. So now you supposed to multiple this 4 value. So I just take 1600 plus 80 plus 80, it should be 160. 160 plus 4. So add this 3 number because it's very simple. 80 plus 80, 160. 160 plus 4, 164. Now you can add 1600. You add with 1164. So 4, 6, 7, 1. So answer should be 42 square equal to 1764. Already we get the same value by using the shortcut method. Okay student, regarding this questions I have to attached. Okay, to finding the square values you supposed to find the value for this. Okay, I have to attach the worksheet for you. In the next class we discuss about Pythagorean triplet. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching ஆஹா நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம இந்த சேனல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிட்டு பக்கத்துல இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை ட்ரைன் தட்டுங்க.